Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will compare the Garmin Fenix 8 and Garmin Fenix 8 Solar. Garmin 8 Solar are two premium multi-sport smartwatches. The Fenix 8 features an AMOLED display, offering vibrant colors, higher resolution and superior brightness. It is available with stainless steel or titanium bezel, and you can choose between Gorilla Glass and Sapphire crystal lenses. It starts at around Rs 357.760 and varies depending on size and materials. The Fenix 8 also offers impressive battery life, lasting up to 14 days in a smartwatch mode and 36 hours in GPS modes. The Garmin Fenix 8 Solar is highly recommended for those seeking a robust and versatile smartwatch for outdoors activities and fitness tracking. The AMOLED display features of the watch enhances the visual experience, making maps and graphics more vibrant. One of the standout aspects is exceptional battery life, which can reach up to 48 days. The GPS accuracy is another highlight thanks to a multi-band GNSS chipset that ensure reliable tracking. In my opinion, if you spend a lot of time outdoors and want longer battery life, the Solar version might be worth the extra cost. The standard Fenix 8 should suffice. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.